Want to play Call of Duty with friends on different platforms? In this video, I'll show you how to enable crossplay super quick and easy. First, launch Call of Duty on your PC or console and head straight to the main menu. Second, go into the settings menu, then navigate to the account and network tab. Third, find the crossplay option and toggle it on. This lets you play with Xbox, PlayStation, and PC users. Fourth, make sure your Activision account is linked across devices. This ensures your progress and friends list sync. Finally, use the in-game friends list to add friends by their Activision ID and invite them to your lobby. And that's it. Crossplay is enabled. Now you can squad up with anyone, anywhere. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more COD tips. And see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.